welcome to another episode of the Foodie Vlog. So today in my kitchen I'm making a tawa pizza. Now in this I haven't used any yeast, I haven't used the oven or any extra equipment. It's made with very basic ingredients and it's an absolute delight. So it's super easy to make and yeah, let's head to my kitchen and let's start the preparation. So the first step is to prepare the dough for the pizza. For that I'm gonna take one big spoon of curd. This is fresh homemade curd. This is basically 1/4 cup of curd. To this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar. So this is powdered sugar. I'm going to add some salt and some oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to mix all of this together. I'm going to mix until it turns frothy. So as you can see, it has turned frothy. To this I'm going to add refined flour. So this is about 2 cups of refined flour. I'm just going to add it in batches. And now I have to make this into a fine dough. So I'm going to crumble it. So as you can see, I didn't need water because the curd was enough. But if you feel that the dough is getting too dry, then you can add some water. I'm going to keep kneading it until it becomes smooth. So make sure you spend time kneading this because that's how the pizza will turn out really good. So my dough is ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck it inwards. And I'm gonna set this for 5 minutes, but before I set it I'm gonna just spread some oil. So yeah, we'll just let this set aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. So my pizza dough is ready and now I'm gonna start making the pizza base. I'm gonna take a section of the dough. So I've taken a small ball of dough, I've flattened it. I'm just going to sprinkle some refined flour on top of it. And now I'm going to start rolling it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a round shape. Now we're going to assemble all of this in a pan. Okay, so I have taken a pan here on which I'm gonna make the pizza. Now I'm gonna place this pizza base on top of the pan. I'm just gonna spread it and I'm just gonna press it against the walls of the pan. So I'm gonna make an impression on the edges of the base. Now that the base of the pizza is ready, we're now gonna start with the toppings of the pizza. I'm gonna take some pizza sauce and I'm gonna spread it on the base. Make sure you spread it all over the pizza so that way it will become more flavorful. I'll now start adding the toppings. Some onions, these are diced onions. Now I honestly love a lot of onions on my pizza, so I'm gonna add some more. Some capsicum, 4 sliced tomatoes. This is like a classic veg pizza because I'm using the basic veggies that I have. To this I'm going to add some chili flakes. If you like it spicy, you can add some more chili flakes. So this is again up to you. And I'm gonna add some oregano. And in the end I'm going to add some cheese. So I'm using mozzarella cheese here. So I'm going to use a generous amount of cheese. Now that the pizza is ready to be cooked, I'm going to add some oil to the edges of the pizza so that way it won't stick to the base. It's now time to bake the pizza on the stove. So I'm going to cook this on the pan for 8 minutes on low flame, and I have to cover and cook. So after 8 minutes you'll notice that the cheese has melted, and that's when you know that the pizza is ready. I've also sprinkled some oregano and chili flakes on top of it. So this is my final look of the tawa style pizza. As you can see, it has turned out super cheesy and super amazing, and I cannot wait to dig in.